Welcome again. As in the last video, we have understood what is R programming, the introduction, what it is, and what the evolution and the features of R. So in this video, we will learn how to download the R image. So just go into the browser and in the URL, just type r-project.org that is there. Press enter. It will lead you into the official page of the R project where you can see in the left hand side download GRAN, the GRAN image that I've told you. So here just click on that GRAN. You can just download this Zero Cloud link and then you can select any one of the link whatever OS you are working on. So if because I'm using Windows, so I have clicked on Windows and then install R for the first time. And once you do that, there is the final link that will give you the final that will give you the software. So download R 4.2.2 for Windows. As I have told you in the last video, we are in the version 4. So here 4.2.2 release it is here. So once you click in this link, the way it will be downloaded R 4.2 win. Because I've already downloaded and installed, I'm going to cancel it. You can download it and install it into your computer. And once you have downloaded, you will get this type of desktop image. Let me show you. This is the image that you will get R 4.2.2. This is a CRAN image of our project for Windows operating system. Next we'll go to download the R Studio, and for that just write R Studio and don't forget to click on the right link. Don't go into the first one, just go into the R download the R Studio from the support rstudio.com. From here, when you go into that link, you will land into this type of page where there are various versions. You can just go to RStudio desktop. It is open source license and free. Just click on the download. It will download RStudio for you. And here it is download RStudio for Windows and 64-bit operating system. Once you click on it, the Windows RStudio will be downloaded. Because I've already downloaded, I'm going to cancel it. You can download it and then install it. And once you have installed it, and make a shortcut in the desktop, you will get RStudio in the desktop also. So this is the icon for that. Or if you didn't get the RStudio in the desktop, you can just go here and type RStudio. You will get here. Once you have installed it, first you have to install the R image and then RStudio. Okay, because RStudio need that plan image of R project. Or once you have our project in hand, you can also work in Windows command prompt also that we do in other programming language. Okay, so we are going into the RStudio app, and this is the RStudio app. This is the thing that you will see. This is the R script file where you can write the script file and save it, or you can run it line by line. And here this is the console. Console. Here also you can run anything like print hello. So if you just have the cursor on the line, anywhere in the line, and press Control Enter, it will run and print the message here. Okay, or you can run that the same thing here in the print in the console. Here also Control Enter, print the it will print the text for you. Okay, so if and this is the in the right hand side, you can see in the upper side that this is the environment or history or connection that you can. This is the history that I worked on. This is the connections tutorial. So these are the different whatever variable you will be creating, all the environment, all the variable, their value, you can see here that we will see in the next video. And here you can just directly access the files or from your computer, or the plots that if whenever we will learning about the data visualization in R, the plots will be plotted here. We can export it into somewhere else as image file or as PDF. So this is the RStudio screen where we are going to work on from the next video. Thanks for watching. Be with me. I'm sure I'll make you learn R programming in an easy way. Thank you so much.